the chair isn't bolted down.
Oh no!
Get it!
How's it going, everybody? We are back on this fine, awful Memorial Day weekend, and we are going to finish off Diesel Dave's lovely Mercedes 300 STL. Supposedly, all it needs is transmission fluid. Allegedly.
It's a sick Oscar.
I would put some good money against that, so I'm gonna film our shenanigans that we get up to. I hope you enjoy.
This thing takes like.
Look at that. Look at how flabbergasted he is.
Only a few months. Injectors were leaking. Need transmission fluid. Alright,
We can cross that off.
I don't know about that yet.
Transmission fixed. Lots.
done.
Done.
See, we're official.
Yeah, it was leaking out of the bad part of the injector too.
Yeah, it was leaking out of these. Out of the steels.
Mm-hmm. I swear it was frothing up from the base of the injector last time. Whatever, as long as it fires. As long as we can get it in the garage, I guess. How well does your sense of smell work?
It smells.
Yeah, I could tell. You pop in here and like, wow, it's mint.
No, I didn't even. Oh no, never mind. I didn't take a whiff.
It's mint.
That's
It's not black mold.
Just leave these windows open.
It's white mold.
Oh, did you know the Passat battery fit? I'm debating if I just want to steal the one out of the truck.
Does it got the cold cranking amps?
It should.
Oh,
When was the last time you did an update on this thing?
I can't find the G spot. I don't know. I think I did a little bit on the last Merc video. K24E jump scare.
What are you doing here?
The Lord's work.
Yeah, this thing does do the Lord's work.
Being stinky. My dad thinks this thing is like the coolest car ever. You got to do more stuff with the GoPro, Diesel Dave. I want to see you catch on fire more.
Dude, that seems to be like the only thing I can film myself doing.
Catching on fire?
Yeah.
Practicality. Pickup truck. We just go kayak.
Oh, it's just not gonna work.
No.
This battery ain't gonna work.
Off to the Passat battery. Here you go. One fresh 2017 Passat battery. I think. Like a glove. Here, you could touch those off between the two of them.
Yeah, it's a fuse. How many amp fuse? I don't think it's actually.
It's a wrench amp fuse. I don't know. We were fixing something and you did actually touch off the wrench between the two of them. I remember that. I think it's not gonna fire.
And I'm gonna hold on this. And I'm gonna bet you're gonna be wrong.
I'll bet you 1 1/4 musubi.
1 1/4.
1 1/4 musubi.
Any smoke, we're not getting fuel.
It doesn't sound like it's getting fuel, no. You say that like, oh, we just have to bleed the injectors. Like bleeding the injectors and trying to start this didn't take like 2 days last time.
So in our defense, we had.
So while Diesel Dave yaps about whatever he's yapping about, I'd just like to point out that Big Dog is over here wearing sandals and socks, which is forgivable. But not only is he wearing sandals and socks, he's wearing them as muck boots, just splashing around in wet socks like a caveman.
Well, I'm not actually drunk as a skunk this time, so.
Yeah. We're gonna take our little spray.
I like that Shrek cup. How old is that?
When did Shrek the Third come out? So I bet
When did
that's a movie
Shrek the
theater.
Third? I don't know. It's a classic though, Diesel Dave.
I'm sure that
That'd be like 15 bucks at the flea market.
99 cents at the.
I know what I have.
No low ballers, I know what I got. Okay, we're gonna take the old ribs. That right there. Nice, you've been on this nice 2 hours. We're gonna take just a little bit of our apple cider seasoning. Add a little juice
Oh,
to
that's
it.
glass too. I thought that might have even been a plastic cup.
Oh, this is back.
I was gonna say that the Shrek microplastics probably make it all the tastier. This whole injector is loose, Diesel Dave, you fucking dickhead.
What do you mean a whole
The whole injector is loose.
Oh, we torqued those.
That's definitely not torqued.
That whole injector is loose. All your compression is escaping. Look at this. Look at this. You think I lie? Look.
Oh, motherfucker, it is.
Yeah, look at that.
Can you get that line undone?
Yeah, if I don't torque the whole thing out, if the whole thing's gonna come out. You gotta grab it with something. The adventure continues.
Who's up for an engine swap? There's the back seat.
Hour 1 into the just needs transmission fluid. I thought you put it all in the back, or you didn't put it in the back because it got rusty last time.
Oh, we could check the back. Here's the back seat. We could
Oh yeah, we'll snag that. All right, we can do something useful now.
And
Carry something.
the motorcycle.
Boss, that is a cast iron freaking thing. That might not even be a 5-speed. Diesel Dave, this is a 460, right?
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah, distributor in the front. It's a Ford. I knew that much, and it looks big.
This is what's in the Lincoln.
That's the motor out of the dump truck.
In case you need a PTO. I figured it was the dump truck one because it's got the PTO. How many torques, Diesel Dave?
Click, click.
Yeah, when you hear the click,
Crack.
when you hear the
What is
click,
it?
it's gonna be about the righty tighty is gonna turn into righty
Was it
loosey.
the, flex plate bolts on the Pathfinder.
Yeah, you did that on my goddamn injector hold down thing. You sheared off the bolt right,
No, I was
like
talking
flush
about
with the head.
When my dad destroyed the.
Oh yeah, he broke my breaker bar somehow, just by being a hammer. Yeah.
Both, but there's more to that story. Both of us, Noah and I, were reefing on that together.
Yeah, with a pole on it, and then his dad came with no cheater bar, no nothing,
Yeah,
just
just
pure fucking hammer, just
Yeah,
broke
dude,
it.
just fucking raw dogs it.
Chicken, 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 chicken. Love me. Okay. Two.
No, you're on that side.
Here, give me 1 second. I don't want to plug. Yeah, there could be a little bit of moisture in that. Well, it is Memorial Day, so we gotta change out the ratty old flag. Okay. Here's how it's gonna happen, apparently. Okay, it's slurped down the last of the red stuff, and I don't mean the diesel this time.
We didn't slurp down any red stuff, so that's a win.
That's right, we didn't.
Look at
I thought you were
function
guaranteed
as
gonna get yourself
silver.
a not so free way to the ER with that flag.
I was like, this is kind of sketchy.
Oh yeah,
That's sketchy.
I absolutely had to film that. It's the 80s, Diesel Dave. Ah.
Chooch.
It wanted it on the mat. I'll try it again.
Let's see if she'll go without it.
Ugh, gotta take it out because it's stalled. Germans. That's as low as it wants to go. Oh, well, that's lower than it wants to go.
I think she just needs the kinks worked out.
No, Diesel Dave, it wants the feet. I don't know what you're talking
That's what I
about.
said,
You
it
gotta.
just needs to warm up, like you said.
Oh, I was making a whatever. Never mind. creeping up hard. Oh, the dust. I think I should turn it off. It's not showing any sign of coming down.
Okay, yeah.
Thermostat, thermostat, sticky thermostat.
Blood pressure.
There's pressure in there, Diesel Dave.
There's a lot of fluid in there too.
Look at that. Who'd have thunk?
Probably because there's an air bubble. My guess. Or the radiator hoses. Cold.
Cold.
Actually, that one's kind of warm. Not
Yeah,
that
it's
one.
warm by the engine, which is warm.
The engine's not.
It was climbing pretty steadily up to 120.
Yeah, my guess.
Get out of here. No one asked for your
Air
input.
bubble.
Yeah, Diesel Dave's gonna hold my hose, and then I'm gonna pour all my fluids right down this hose,
Where'd the hose at?
like you would know. Oh, beautiful.
Mountain Dew.
Might have just slurped it around too. Just rip on it like a big old reverse bong. Do it, Diesel Dave. Come on.
Yeah.
I knew. Oh.
On the mustache and everything.
Money shot.
Oh, there we go. Now give me a kiss.
Do shit.
No. Oh, she cheats.
You hear that turbo whistle?
Oh yeah, it's loaded up on 5,600 pounds of fat German ass. What did this weigh again? It's 5,600 pounds, right? So
4,800.
4,800. Damn, I thought it was heavier. That's still huge.
President.
That is gigantic. It's got some gumminess in that injection pump. Like it takes a long time for it to actually do anything. You're foaming at the base of injector 6. It's not tightened all the way down.
Or the gaskets. We did reuse all those.
Copper crush gaskets, they're fine.
You're gonna kneel them. You can heat them up, kneel them, and reuse them.
I think you should put an easy 500 extra foot-pounds on it.
What temperature climbed and then just dropped right off.
Okay.
Yo!
Why don't we tighten that injector 6? Any thoughts? No? Oh, there's not going to be anything left for you to drink, Diesel Dave.
My favorite flavor.
About a 7mm.
We got it with a
I don't know, man. I personally like the Asian vehicle pink. That's where it's at.
Toyota pink.
Yeah. That's something.
Scraps and see if there's anything else in here that we can use.
They just don't make shitter pickups like this anymore.
I mean, they do. You just can't get them in America.
Stop.
Japan has like that.
Hilux Stout or whatever it is. Have you
Yeah.
seen those?
That's the tits.
The
Yeah.
yeah, isn't that the one that's at the
great
work?
because it's in a little bit of a rut.
Nice. All right.
So
let's,
we-
How much bullshit can a Nissan bullshit? Two. And oh, not crush.
watch
Oh,
out.
watch what?
Oh.
Oh, it's hooked on the tailgate.
Yeah.
That would suck that you're like pinched in between there. Oh.
Pivot again.
Big Hamel Diesel Dave's got it.
We're gonna destroy that battery. Okay.
Okay, so it runs. It tries to shift into gear, but the brakes are seized. So we're just gonna go ahead and unseize them. Oh, it doesn't idle either. Just look at aesthetic in that beautiful light. So the little tug from the tractor seemed to have at least made it go in reverse. It still doesn't idle, but
I'd imagine all the vacuum leaks are probably why it don't idle. All the door seals are shot.
Multiple ants.
Oh, nice.
Here, let me wipe the mats.
give it the beans, Diesel Dave. Take it around the donut.
Like all the way down.
Foot to the mat, Diesel Dave. Mint. Yeah, that's no issue at all. It lives.
The chair isn't bolted down.
Oh no!
Get in!
Oh, she's on me.
The seat wasn't bolted down. Just a little fresh air. Just a little fresh air.
Oh, come on there, Letty. I was trying to go around the other side. I was like slipping in the mud. So I was just like, move over.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that boost, Diesel Dave. Oh, it can do second gear too.
Wow.
Oh, it's not having fun though. First take kickdown works.
Oh yeah. I feel it. Oh yeah.
Ah, get the bunny. He just stuck it into neutral.
And just killed it.
Bump starter. No.
Maybe wait till you turn around. Watch out, dog. Watch out, dog. Wow, I can't see anything.
We should wipe the windscreen down. Yeah.
So there you have it. It runs and it drives, which is what the goal was. And it builds boost, which Diesel Dave probably cared more about than running and driving.
Oh, I left the starter fluid.
But it still needs some help.
Yeah, we got fueling issues that need to be corrected.
Yeah, it rides and it drives, but it's awful. So we'll be fixing that at a later date. But until then, thank you very much for watching and have a good one. Shoots.